Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wandi Filamon Martua Santuri. I am from the Information Technology Study Program. I will present material about the history of computer development. Happy watching. The history of computer development from the beginning until now has gone through at least 5 generations, which have made computer technology increasingly advanced. The rapid development of information and communication technology (ICT) today cannot be separated from the discovery of computers, which have made major change in human civilization. Many things that used to be done manually we are but bit troublesome but are now easily done via computer device. In fact, there are various jobs that can be done automatically using this tool. Looking back in history, the origins of computers are not far from calculating tools. The reason is computers comes from the Latin computer and the English to computate, which both meant to calculate. Therefore, the discovery of calculating tools is considered a milestone in the history of computers. The calculating tool that became the forerunner of computers was called the abacus. Quoting the Ministry of Education and Culture's Learning Resource Page, the abacus is an ancient calculating tool used by the ancient Romans and ancient Greeks. Abacus is used in everyday calculation like today's calculators. With an abacus, people at the time could calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square multiplication, and square roots. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician and scientist, invented an automatic calculator in 1042. He used a set of connect gears to use the tool. Okay, understanding computers. A computer is a tool used to process data according to pre-programmed commands. The word computer was originally used to describe people whose job is to carry out arithmetic calculations with or without tools, but the meaning of this word was later transferred to the machine itself. Initially, information processing was almost exclusively related to arithmetic problems, but modern computers are used for many tasks unrelated to mathematics. Broadly speaking, a computer can be defined as an electronic device consisting of several components which can work together with each other to produce information based on existing programs and data. The concept of computers components comes from the von Neumann architecture when John von Neumann explained his architecture in 1945, the beginning of the invention of computers. About 30 years after Pascal invented the automatic calculator, German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz developed the previous calculator by adding a binary number system. The system helps machines to handle calculation more easily than the decimal system. Leibniz also added the gears for multiplication and division calculations. George Boole then developed binary mathematics. This British scientist used the binary number system to discover a new type of mathematics which became known as Boolean algebra and Boolean logic. Meanwhile, the existence of modern computers cannot be separate from the role of Charles Babbage. Okay, broadly speaking, the history of computer development is divided into 5 generations, namely, the first generation began when computers were used in academies and the military, such as the Atanasoff Berry computer created in 1037 to solve size systems of linear equations, and the Colossus computer to crack Nazi Germany's secret codes. The ENIAC, which was built in 1046, became the first computer for general purpose when his computer was turned on for the first time. Philip expressions and a blackout. This generation of computers use vacuum tubes to store data and their size took up on room. The second generation began when transistors replaced vacuum tubes. UNIVAC was introduced to the public 1051 for commercial use. Then in 1953, IBM started its computer business by releasing the IBM 650 and IBM 700. Various programming languages began to be developed and computers began to have memory and operating system. The third generation began when transistor technology advanced to integrate circuits, mini computers, where a significant innovation in this generation and influenced subsequent generation of computers. NASA used this generation of computers to launch the Apollo program, such as the Apollo Guides computer to facilitate control of the Apollo Command Service Module. Digital Equipment Corporation became the number 2 computer company behind IBM with its PGP and FAX computers. These computers led to the development of the invented operating system Unix. The fourth generation began in the 1970 when the invention of the MOSFET and subsequent large-scale integration led to the development of microprocessors in the early 1970. Smaller personal computers, thanks to microprocessors, began to develop, starting from home computers and desktop computers. The next technology was laptops and smartphones, which were phenomenal, bringing various technology companies into pattern war over smartphone. The fifth generation is predicted to be the most advanced stage of technological development today and was first created in the 1080. Improvements in terms of visualization, making the visual display on computer in the 5th generation have very high resolution and are very sharp. The country that pioneered the history of computer development in the 5th generation was Japan. in the development process important components we add to today's modern computer system. This is because the components used in 5th generation computers apply a various variety of modern technologies such as superconductors, ULSI, and artificial intelligence, or what you know better as artificial intelligence. That's all my explanation of material. Thank you.